Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Advait. I'm Anish.
I'm Advait.
Today I'm going to be showing my Nerf gun collection to you. Let's start with the smallest.
Yes.
This is the Nerf Sharpfire. It's white, gray, black, and and orange. It doesn't really shoot that well, I think, but see, the back over there is like a bluish abdomen. So we're gonna compare how far each bullet goes by if it can touch the abdomen. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Oh no! See, this is how far this one went. We're back. It's like here, 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 and it only went until here.
Yeah.
So sad. Okay, now for the next gun. This one is the Nerf Commander Elite 2.0. I really like its bullets. Look at the color.
Yeah, I like the bullets.
It's orange, blue, black, and gray. Let's get the final bullet. Okay.
This is my favorite gun.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Favorite gun? Cool.
Because the favorite gun is my favorite color.
Oh, so blue is your favorite color?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew that, but I never knew dark blue was your favorite color. Let's see how far this goes now.
Both of the blues are my favorite color.
Okay. Oh!
Good.
This one did a good job. It went all the way to the abdomen. Can you move? Advait. See, it went all the way up to the abdomen and it even fell on it. Now, it's for our last gun. The best gun of them all, I think. Because it's the color gold. It's the color gold. It's a really strong gun. It's the Nerf Ultra Series 5. I think that's what it's called. So its colors are yellow, black, white, orange, and my favorite color, gray. But no, gold. Sorry, I got confused. Now, the last bullet. Come. Its bullets are quite different from normal bullets. This gun can hold up to 6 bullets.
No, 4 bullets.
Oh, why am I getting confused so much? Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This is the most powerful gun.
Yes.
So I'm going to tell you not to aim it on people. Well, let's see how far it goes. Oh my gosh. You might say it fell like there. But it actually hit the wall and came back. That's how powerful it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.